Hello friends, I am Jeevan Ravan, Senior Lecturer in Mining Engineering, Government Polytechnic Nagpur. Today we are going to discuss the working principle of centrifugal fan and axial flow fan. Also, centrifugal fan and comparison of centrifugal fan with axial flow fan. Natural ventilation alone is often inadequate and unreliable for mine ventilation. Hence, mechanical ventilation is a common practice in almost all mines today. In early days, common mechanical ventilators were bellows or reciprocating compressors. After that, centrifugal fans were developed, which were initially of rotating type and hence were extremely large. However, today commonly used mine fans are both centrifugal as well as axial flow fan type. Axial flow fans are more popular. The objective of this lecture is to understand the principle of centrifugal fan and axial flow fan. Also, to compare axial flow fan with centrifugal fan. A centrifugal fan consists of an impeller, rotor or wheel rotating inside a volute casing. The impeller consists of blades or vanes mounted on a central hub over the driving shaft. The principle of centrifugal fan can be explained like this. The centrifugal fan uses the centrifugal power supplied from the rotation of impellers to increase the kinetic energy of air. When the impeller rotates, the air particles near the impeller are thrown off from the impeller, then moves into the fan casing. As a result of this, the kinetic energy of air is measured as a pressure because of the system resistance offered by the casing and duct. After this, the air is thrown off, the air pressure in the middle region of the impeller decreases. The air from the impeller eye rushes in to normalize this. This cycle repeats and therefore the air can be continuously transferred. There are three types of centrifugal fans: backward bladed fan, forward bladed fan, and radial bladed fan. In backward bladed fan, blades are curved backward with respect to direction of rotation. These are used for low pressure to high pressure application. In forward bladed fans, they are the blades are curved forward with respect to direction of rotation. These are used for high volume and low pressure application. Pressure rise is mostly due to high absolute velocity of air at outlet of impeller. In radial bladed fans, blades are perpendicular to the axis of rotation. These are used for high pressure applications. This type of radial blade fans are low in efficiency, but the design is excellent for dust atmosphere as the dust cannot sleek on the blades because of geometry. Now we will see a graphical representation of animation of centrifugal fan.
This video is going to be about how centrifugal fans work. Centrifugal fans use the force of spinning objects to move air around. As you can see here, it uses by using two spinning discs with small blades in between them, and those blades will catch air as it's spinning in this way direction and throw the air out of this housing. There's three main components to a centrifugal fan. There's a motor, the fan wheel, and the housing. Centrifugal fans are similar to turbochargers in the fact that they take gas in the side and throw it out at a 90-degree angle to the fan wheel. What I have here is a broken centrifugal fan wheel and an electric motor. How this works is you'll have the electric motor connected to this by either direct drive, which is this directly onto the armature of the motor, or belt drive, which is there's a belt that goes on that disc. It connects to this using a belt. And there's gear drive, which is there's a gear and another gear, and then you can change gears around to get different speeds. Using this rotor, it's going to be spinning like this. Pardon me, this fan wheel. It's going to be spinning like this. The air is going to come in this way, get caught by these fan blades, each of these little tabs, and then thrown out due to centrifugal force and the angle of the fan blades. There's 3 different types of fan blades on the fan wheel. There's the forward curved, which is used for relatively low pressure, high volume applications. For like hot air dispersion. Backward curved type of fan blades are for higher pressure and lower volume, such as turbochargers and compressors. And the radial is basic and gives you kind of a balance of both. Centrifugal fans differ from axial or bladed fans in that the airflow is going to be at a 90-degree or perpendicular to the armature, which is that. It's going to be coming this way, which is perpendicular. And an axial flow, it's going to be coming parallel to it. It's going to be coming this way. So that's pretty much it for centrifugal fans. They're really simple.
Now we will see the principle of axial flow fan. An axial flow fan pushes the air forward in the direction parallel to the axis, that is axially, without changing the direction of air current. The blades of the fans force air linearly to the shaft. Axial flow fan creates a high flow rate and they are able to achieve a bigger volume of airflow. Now we can compare centrifugal fan with axial flow fan. Axial versus centrifugal fans. There are 2 primary varieties of fans, axial fans and centrifugal fans. The design and function of a centrifugal fan is very different from those of an axial fan. Their differences make them each suited for different applications. and customers are sometimes unclear as to which fan type have best results. To help clear up that confusion, here is a breakdown of the fan types, their benefits and comparison. Axial fans are named for the direction of the airflow they create. Blades rotating around an axis draw air in parallel to that axis and force air out in the same direction. Axial fans create airflow with a thin air, meaning they create a large volume of airflow. However, the airflows they create are of low pressure. They require a low prime input. Centrifugal fans, on the contrary, have called as blowers are different from axial fans. The pressure of an incoming stream is increased by a fan, a series blades of mounted on a circular hub. Centrifugal fans move air radially, the direction of the outward flowing and changed, usually by 90 degrees, from the direction of the incoming air. The airflow created by centrifugal fan is directed through a system of ducts. This helps create a high pressure airflow than axial fans. Despite low flow rate, centrifugal fans create a steadier flow of air. Centrifugal fans also require a higher power input. Because of the low pressure, high volume airflows, they create axial fans are best suited for general purpose applications. Centrifugal fans are uh, high pressure creating and are ideal for drying and air conditioning systems.